How do I choose the right caravan to buy? My name's Christian from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and I want to help you decide the right caravan for your needs. What are you going to buy? Let's have a look at it. You've got to determine your requirements. Do you have a family? How much living space do you need? Do you need it off-road? Things you need to keep in mind. The size and layout. How big do you want this thing to be? How confident are you in towing a caravan? And also, how many people do you need to sleep in that caravan of a night? Weight and towing capacity. What's your car capable of with the towing restrictions? If you're buying a 3-ton rated caravan and your car's only rated to be able to tow 2.5, it's not going to work. Storage space. What are the essentials that you are going to want to take away with you? And what are the wants that you want to take away with you? Are you going to be able to do that? Your budget. People overspend on things these days. You've got to make sure that you're able to afford the caravan you want. Do your research. Don't just listen to the guy down the street. Actually go out there. Have a look at the caravans on offer. Go to caravan shows. Go to the manufacturers. See what they have on offer. See what suits you. Check the safety features of that caravan. So not just the look of the caravan, you need to know what's under that caravan. Is the chassis built strong enough? Are the mechanics of it and the electrics of it up to scratch? All things you need to check out. Assess the build quality. A well-built caravan is going to withstand the conditions of Australia. There are numerous questions you can ask yourself and ask the dealers when it comes to choosing the right caravan for your needs. Do your research. Check the Google reviews. Make sure the caravan you're buying is suited to your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow for more.